In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust rows and columns. By the end, you'll be able to size your spreadsheet exactly the way you want, so your data is easy to read, tidy, and consistent. Let's start with rows. Look to the left side of your sheet where the row numbers are. Move your mouse to the thin dividing line between any two row numbers. When you're in the right spot, your cursor will change to a vertical resize icon. Click and hold on that line, then drag downward to make the row taller, or upward to make it shorter. As you drag, watch how the cells change height and how your content reflows. When it looks right, release the mouse to set the new size. If you overshoot or it doesn't look quite right, just click the same divider and drag again until the height matches your preference. This simple drag action gives you precise control, whether you want extra breathing room for multi-line text or a compact layout to fit more on the screen. Now let's do the same for columns. At the top of your sheet, where the column letters appear, hover over the dividing line between two letters. Your cursor will switch to a horizontal resize icon. Click and hold, then drag to the right to widen the column or to the left to narrow it. You'll see the cells adjust in real time. Release when you like the width. If any headings or numbers look cramped, widen the column a little more. If there's a lot of empty space, bring it in so the sheet feels tighter and more organized. Repeat this on any column that needs a tweak to keep your content clean and readable. A few quick pointers as you adjust. Aim for sizes that make your longest entries visible without cutting off important information. For text-heavy rows, a slightly taller height can improve legibility, while single-line entries usually look best with a more compact height. For numeric columns, a modest widen helps prevent values from looking squeezed. Take your time and use your eyes as a guide. Look for consistent spacing across similar rows and columns so the sheet feels balanced. That's it. Drag the divider for rows to set the height, and do the same on the column dividers to set the width. Take a final pass through your sheet, fine-tune any areas that look too tight or too loose, and you're done. With just these quick adjustments, your spreadsheet becomes clearer, more professional, and easier to work with.